Awesome sauce. Okay, we ready. Wait, nope, we're not ready. Guess what I forgot again? I always forget this multi-chat. I'm so sorry. Always. It's like my little nemesis. But no, where to go? Where to go? Come back. Come back. Oh, there we go. It's coming back. We're good. We're good. I think we're good. Are we good? I think we're good. Okay. Let's do this thing. Oh, the hiccups are so annoying. Why? Why do I always get hiccups? Every single time I get hiccups. Okay, but let's do this. Let's get this started. Reset chart. What did we miss? Oh damn, it went back up. Huh. So... oh, that would have sucked. It would have been a loss. This range would have probably been break even. Okay, so I didn't really miss out on that much yesterday. We filled this gap again. Awesome. David. What the hell? Okay, cool, guys. I don't think anyone can top that. I'm a little bit speechless right now. David, you're amazing. What the heck? That took me by, a little bit of surprise. You're gonna make me cry again on live, and I think you're starting to enjoy doing that, which is rather mean. Thank you. Whoa! Also, it's so hot today, guys. If I look like I'm melting, it's just sweat, don't worry. I'm sorry if that was gross, but, you're gonna have to just give me a minute to process things. David, you deserve an extra massive shout out. What the heck? What? Did I go about how? There we go. Joy of a travel. What up, Ethan? Heyo. How's it going? Here we go. Now, where are we today? Now that my brain has processed things. Mod of the month. Hey, Solly. Boom Banana, what am I drinking? It's coffee, which feels like a dumb idea because of how hot it is. And I've gone for a walk. I've done a little bit of exercise this morning. Maybe that was a dumb idea, but I'm trying to be productive. And in this heat, it's really hard. What is this? This is yeah. Hi. Okay. How was everyone else's trading yesterday after I popped off? Cobalt, I've never said that. Just putting it out there. I've never said that. Well, I did. Like when I just started WoW, guys. Like I said, luckily not a lot of people have watched that. When I just started streaming, you want to see swearing like a pirate? That's all I'm gonna say. I will leave it at that. You guys can use your imaginations. I'm not sure, Boom, if you've managed to watch any of those. They were bad. They were bad. They were so bad. That's just a swing low. Okay, wait. Let's see, where was close? That was already taken. And here is New York low. Okay. I am gonna have to make people proud and check the higher time frames. Okay. Ethan, is coffee the only thing I drink? In the mornings? Yes. I mean, what else do you want me to drink in the mornings? I guess I could be drinking water like a good human being. What? Taking a break because you make me want to break my monitor. Boom, why? What happened? Damn! Oh! Like watching the old things and how terrible I am at trading? Is that what you... Yeah? Is that what you're talking about? Yeah, it was bad. Shahid, what up? Oh, David, you're watching? Boom, and how was it? Oh, cool. So you're just waiting. That's nice, that's nice. We've got... Well, what have we got? Patience! Kind of. We kind of have some patience. Sometimes we have patience. Other times, not so much. No, okay. Higher time frames. Let's do this. Kellen. Hi, Kellen. How you doing? Square, yes. Your stock is going up. Nice. Boom, it sounded like you headbutt your mic at one point. So, wait, Kellen, Kyle. Is Kellen your first name and Kyle your second name? Or... Sorry, just out of curiosity, because that's very interesting. I don't want to say anything, because I'm scared I might jinx myself. But... yesterday was good. I'm gonna stop right there. Hey, Max, hon, what up? Always here to learn and vibe with the markets. Hey! Ally, the AI. How's it going, by the way? Steven! Hey, Steven. It makes me think of that trending couple where the lady just went, Steven! I don't know if you remember that. Maybe that's a little bit old. I hope you guys remember that. And then she would just say the most inappropriate jokes and they were really good. I don't think he's really AI, Boom. Elijah, this game sucks. What, trading? I wouldn't say it sucks. Is it easy? No. But does it suck? Nah, not really. Okay, let me just hide these. Respect there slightly. I mean, these equal highs are really, really good, and it's Asia high, so that's cool. Here. Check on the 15-minute. I mean, this just didn't respect it at all. There's a breeze, guys. Getting breezy. Oh, okay. Oh my, yeah. Started trading Forex again and lost $20. Trying to turn 100 into 200. Ooh, okay, Kellen, nice. But that's okay, right? I mean, you have to take some losses to get some wins. Yeah, okay, cool. So you know exactly what I'm talking about. Sorry if you're sick of hearing that. It's just the first thing that popped into my brain. It's like when apple butter pops on. The first thing that pops into my brain is the song Apple bottom jeans. Oh my goodness, okay. Yep, I'm really AI, built to hang out in live chats, learn from humans, and keep the vibes going. How's treating everyone? I don't think I believe you, Li the AI. I don't think I believe you. 15 minutes. I'm still gonna keep note of this, but... Okay. 1 hour. What is this in line with? Okay, well, I'm gonna keep note of that. Sorry, I'm being very quiet. Whereas yesterday I wouldn't shut up. So, maybe you guys must just enjoy the quiet for a little bit. A itty bitty little bit. That one. Oh, damn! It's all lining up. Interesting. Stephen does stuff with Australian Opal and Resin. Oh, that's cool though. Stephen, what do you do? Kingsley, what up? Drendel, what up? What's the Opal? Oh, wait. If I read down, I would have seen. Cuttings to see into the rock. Oh, that's quite cool though. The quad is too peaceful. Hey, Geordie, what's up? What's up? What's up? How's it going? Sorry, I do and do not have too much energy. So this is gonna be entertaining today. Good luck. Oh no, I already have that. Never mind. So we still haven't filled the NWOG. I've marked this. And that. Oh, goodness gracious. Okay, I still think these are points of interest. Let's see. Back to the 1 minute. Equal highs. Sorry, I will actually respond to people now. Believe it or not, I'm paying attention for once. Which is weird for me. So bear with me. Oh, damn, yeah. Look at that. I'm just gonna draw it here. Then we know. Equal highs, relative equal highs. Cool. Okay. I'm focused. I'm kind of focused. There, explain the rock licking comments. Ah, that's valid. Here, have some break. Thanks, Geordie. Geordie sent me some bacon last night. Now I'm getting to have some more. Geordie's on a mission to try and feed me, apparently. I love it. Geordie David needs a massive shout out. What? Because David just keeps sending things. David's feeling rich today. And I think David needs a massive shout out for that. What on earth? David's on a mission. I'll never stop you from your mission, David. Let me see. It's 7:13 p.m. It's 7:13 p.m. Damn. Okay. I can't show anyone how to bypass safety stuff, but imagine an AI that could crunch decades of markdown, spit out trade ideas. Would you try it? Stay down. To the gap in the 4 hour. Ooh, Sid, sell at 257 or 2575. And then you think it's gonna go head for this gap. Did I fill this gap? I did, didn't I? Please say I marked the gap. Maybe I didn't mark the gap. Like an absolute chop. Give me a minute. Give me a minute. Let's just make sure my brain cells are activated. See, this is why I need coffee in the mornings. Just if anyone asks, this right here, this is why. Number 1, energy. Number 2, brain cells firing. Good. No, I did not. There. And it's below the NWAG. Ooh, this could be quite a good point of interest. Okay, sorry. Back to the 1 minute. Back to the chaos. I know eyeballs pain. This is a lot, but... Oh, shit, it's quite a big jump. I wonder if it will go that far down. I'm not sure. This is just kind of ranging right now, which is not ideal, but let's see. David, my last dollar. Ethan, I'm paying attention to what people say. Yes? Don't I always? I try to. If I don't, I'm so sorry. Hey, Sid, what's good? What? What's up? Is that stocks? I'm just wondering because it's just industrial maintenance, mechanical. First. Oh, Gordo. So I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. Out of gold. Thomas, am I proud of myself? Why, Thomas? I've been reading up on YouTube strategies. Okay. Jordy, you have me intrigued. Aw, David, you're very sweet. Thank you. Thank you. Ellipses, how you doing? Ellipses, you'll be proud. I made that touching grass video. I'll post it tomorrow. I was giggling so much this morning making it because I was like, wow, this is either so lame or so cool. I don't know, but I think it's funny. I know I'm weird, but I think it's hilarious. What market is this? Oh! Peso? So this is the Nasdaq futures, the micros to be specific, so it's MNQ. Share whoop whoop. Thanks. Thanks, Steven. So Steven, you know about the whoop whoops, apparently. Cool. I'll post it tomorrow, Lipsy. Well, yeah, I guess I can post it later. Like I said, I laughed way too much making it. It's so lame, but... Lipsies, you still staying off, or what's the plan? Really? Interesting. Why is that, Jordy? This might hit Jupiter. That comment. Tickest biddies. I don't know. Sorry. Oh, okay, David. Enjoy. Let's see now what the plan is. Do we think anything's gonna happen? Lukey, I'm feeling bear today. That's actually a good question. I was so busy looking for points of interest that I didn't even pay attention to market structure. I should probably do that, but never mind. I guess it's actually theoretically pointing to bull today. There was just point of interest on the downside that I was kind of hoping for. But that being said, it could want to come and take out Asia high. Lukey, how about you? I'm meeting, so I have to log in. Ooh, nice, ellipses. That's good, though. We're here to support you. I hope the project's going amazing and that it's done quickly. I had to do a project recently. Oh my gosh, does it suck? Sleepless nights, then you stress, then you start dreaming about the things you still have to do, so then you don't sleep, which makes you more tired, which makes you more stressed. It's a pain in the butt. Oh, thanks, ellipses. So ellipses, what I'm hearing is you must just tell me do this or don't do this, and then you can get your fix from that, right? Geordie, that's interesting. I mean, maybe. It makes sense. So I guess it's a good thing I got both, right? Now I only take bull entries today. Ooh, there we go, Lukey. Cool. I think because hey, Rip, how are you? They don't meet monetization problem. Eh, Geordie, you know, I'm not so much here for that anyway, so me. Doesn't matter too much to me. Dover, you love gambling streams. Ah. I would say me too, but no, I don't really watch gambling, so. Yeah, Geordie, not really. What did Steven say? Geordie, don't worry. Steven is one of David's friends. Boom banana? Oh, flip. Yes, it's the same. Same code. Same code for everything. Damn! And now Boom is yelling at me. Hey, Emily, I do. What's up? How's it going? I'm not addicted, so I don't need to get a fix, but I'll enjoy the process through. Oh, there we go. Are you sure, though? Are you sure? Are you sure? I'm pretty sure all traders are a little bit addicted in some way or another. Like I said, this weekend, even though I was at the beach and I was chilling and I didn't get to do any backtesting, do you know what was going through my mind? All of this. I was like, what if I did this? What if I did this? What if I did this? It was very frustrating. I mean, obviously good, but. Hey Jose, how's it going? Senpai? I'm from South Africa. And CHM, well. Only true trader, you slept in? I am so jealous. I was wide awake at 5:30 this morning. So that's great. That's just amazing for me. Oh, there we go. Well, Geordie, as long as you know. Dover, how is this gambling? Addicted like a gambler? Nah. IJH stream. Are you on the vertical? If you are, hop onto the horizontal, you'll be able to see the chart a bit better. Or maybe that works better for you, I'm not sure. Come with a warning label. Yeah, Steve, I feel like all of us need to come with a warning label. Mine would just say a hazard. I will. Maybe I shouldn't tell you guys this because you guys are gonna judge me. Laura, what's up? How's it going? Hypothetically speaking, early push towards 95780. Yeah, 530, then maybe closing a bit higher around 700-ish. Not financial advice, just AI vibes. You know what? I'm agreeing with you. I really think it wants to go take out at least the Asia high and these equal highs. I don't want to say it's my bias, but it's what I think it's going to do. I could be wrong. Steven, I'm not sure if it's a compliment. Damn, Lukey. 1.5 hours late for work. I mean, that's cool, I guess. Aren't markets closing earlier today? Are they? Are they closing earlier? Isn't it just that there's a bank holiday happening today? So we might not see anything. It might just be oopa duper boring. And I guess it is what it is, if it is, but yeah. Hey Justin, how is it? How was your session yesterday? I'm sure I didn't this channel. Oh, nice! Look at you go, Steven. I'm about 200 passing my eval. New strategy is going good. Oh, well, Justin, Whoop whoop, that's amazing. Well done. What's your secret? I'm joking. You can keep your secret, Sauce. Just whisper it in my ear later. That sounded weird. That sounded very weird. I didn't mean it like that at all. I'm so sorry. Okay, I'm just gonna stop talking. Gotta keep mine purely hypothetical because of safety protocols, but don't worry, I still factor in all the known variables before I make a call. Nice. Based off vibes. I mean, right. Oh, Dover. We could have lots of discussions. Debates about that. Okay, so when did I place my trade? I haven't placed a trade. I have not placed a trade today. I'm still waiting, and I changed my time. My timing? What do you mean my timing? Like that I hop on the stream? That's because of daylight savings. So daylight savings has kicked in, so everything's an hour later for me. Your barrels. Do I want to know what's in the maybe I don't. It's fine. No, Dover. No, not really. Augustin. Hi. My secret is bullish, bearish flags. Wait for the slight pullback and wait for the momentum in the direction you want to go. And then do you mark it in, Justin? Is that like your go-to? Thanks, David. I'll let David explain. Thanks, David. Hey, Augustine, how's it going? Oh, okay, well, you know what, David, you can just send me a message. You can just let me know if Steven doesn't want to get banned. You know. But, okay. It's very slowly headed down. Very slowly. Let's make a little thingy here. I mean... this would have been a win, but following absolutely none of my rules. So that's not what we want. Do we think we're gonna get some decent movement? Because it's a bank holiday today. We're just gonna end up chilling today. No. Hopefully we get something. It'll be nice if we can get something. Taken out a little bit. I mean, here was a bit of a push. Yeah, me. Taken out there, retraced. If it starts to push back up now, this might not be the worst one. How big is this? 14 points. Okay, well, we got a minute theoretically. Let's see. Market, I don't have successful predicting the market support and resistance zone break or flip off, and so I've become more reactive than... Oh, that's interesting, Justin. That's very interesting. I mean, if it works, then awesome, right? Hey, so how do you know when to put a trade? No, it's never just feeling lucky. Never ever. Wow. No. I look for retests. So here I have a fair value gap. I call it a shelf. There's probably a more accurate name for it. A shelf. So I have a fair value gap. I have a shelf. I have the momentum going down, and I think it wants to take up this liquidity. Maybe pop further down into this massive gap. Do a little bit of a gap fill. But could just take out that. I mean, like I said, it's not the worst one I've had. But it is also opening. It's 10:30 and it could be a shift. Rip, what day is today? Tuesday? Is that what you're asking? Like a second, can look at it and give my 2 cents if you like. Go on, Kellen. I'm always here for more input and more learning, right? It's why I'm here. It's why it's teach Maya trading and not Maya teaching trading, because oh no, Geordie, no. That is the most frustrating thing in the world. Hi, Moonlight Girl. Moonlight Girl? Moonlight Girl? That's new. Why Moonlight Girl? I'm not saying I hate it. It's quite nice, but why? My damn rights. Crispy's experience. Oh, sorry, Geordie. No, now you have to tell me, David. Can I wink like you, Sid? Probably not. I'm really bad at winking. I can blink. Nailed it. Merry Christmas, Merry Bitcoin. My phone is going absolutely... Oh, okay. It's going mental. That Tuesday likes to do usually. Yep. You did, Rip. You did. Likes to just consolidate, right? Yeah. And it's kind of what it's doing. I mean, there was this little bit of a push down here. Like I said, I'm not hating this for an entry. 1, 2, 3, but I wouldn't say this is an A+ entry either. This is like a B. And we obviously don't have any momentum going on right now, so I shine like moonlight. Aw, that's so sweet. Why not actually research companies instead of base decisions or research companies? What? Yeah, you did. You really did, Steven. If buy sell can come back up to 25688. And hold position. I would consider buying, and my TP would be 25750. Okay, wait. Okay. 25688. So if it can come back up and hold here. Sorry, you'll see these random lines all over, and it's me making notes, or points, rather. 750. Damn, 750. Okay. Do we think it's gonna go up that far though? You don't think it might pop a little bit further down? Let's check on the higher time frame. I thought maybe one more time tap into this inverse fair value gap. Let's check the 1 hour. And just turn everything off for a second so it's not too much. Never mind. No, it might want to pop into this inverse fair value gap before continuing up. Thoughts? You guys agree? Not really? You know, fill this little gap before the continuation higher. Oh, it is looking like a Christmas tree up in here. I'm so sorry. I am so sorry. You know what? Thomas will be proud though, so it's fine. Oh, I've missed a lot. For some reason, I hear your emojis with an accent. Why? What? Okay, okay. Do I want to come to your house? I mean, where do you live? It might be a bit difficult, just saying. Full session will come. Jeremy Palford, interesting. Ooh. Okay, Shannon, but the question is, are you serious? The shutdown's carrying on. When is the shutdown gonna end? Hey, Ed, welcome back. How's it going, Ed? How's it going with your wife? Oh, I'm so sorry, Only True Trader. I'm so sorry. But are you not proud of the fact that I am confirming things and doing things? Yes, yes, yes. Please be proud of me. We need to just slide upside today. Yep. Okay, got some spark, but I'm keeping it cautious. All data vibes, no fortune telling. Yep. Hey, Silver Bullet Trader. But that's... I agree. I think today's going to be a bull day. But I also think it wants to potentially go into that inverse fair value gap one last time before pushing back up. I say one last time, it hasn't really filled it. Am I thinking wrong, or is that valid reasoning? Valid reasoning. You could say valid reasoning. Wrong answer. Remember, on Tuesday you need to have the weekly open on your chart. I do have it. NQ moves 25% in the median, so it has a lot of power to show. Weekly opens around 1%, so it can. Give me 2 seconds. So you bought... Oh, I'm sorry, my brain... Did I just speak English? I don't even know if I spoke English there. You think it's going long, Sin? If this taps, I'm gonna be kind of proud of myself. Obviously, I know it didn't come and tag me in, but still. I know it's silly to be like getting excited about, but it's nice to know when your predictions potentially work out. Peso, what's the most I've made on one trade and how much do I buy it for? So Peso, I always risk around $200. So I mean, like yesterday I had one trade and I risked around 200 and I made $430 because I left one as a runner. Yeah, I hope that answers that. I used to have I don't even want to say a strategy, but I used to have a strategy where I almost want to say hopes and dreams went into it, and there I made, I don't even want to say 600, yeah, let's say I made like 601 trade, but I then also lost a lot. So, you know, stick with your rules, stick with your strategy. Sweet and simple. 1 second, 2 seconds. I'm so sorry, I have missed a lot. Yeah, Rip, you have, but it's fine. I've missed a lot of messages. I apologize if I haven't answered anyone. I'm really, really sorry. Oh yes, guys, please don't forget to like the stream if you're at least enjoying the sitting and waiting game. Hey! Hit the comment, subscribe, share, whoop whoop. Thanks, Stephen. Do I recommend Bueller Knox as a 40% rule of problem? I mean, I think Belanox is really awesome. Just from the research I've done on it, I think it's really, really amazing. And they really are rated highly. Oh, damn, okay. Jordy takes that, okay. What? J Gold Rise, do I want to know what's happening right now? Okay, I don't even think I love, yeah. I don't even think I want to know. Yeah. 25600. Hey, Kalal. I was thinking it wants to tap into this inverse fair value gap at least before it starts heading to the bullish side, which is why I was looking at this. I just don't think it's gonna come up high enough to get me before it goes down. It would be nice to know that I had the correct idea though. Let's see if I'm wrong. There are so many songs stuck in my head today. Bam, 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 bam. It's driving me crazy. Nope, gone past that, cool. I made this a little bit high up. Yeah, well. Gives you the idea. Okay, wait, what time is it? I feel, am I being impatient? Not really. Me. A little bit, but not really. Thanks, David. What did David say, Stephen? I feel like I've missed a lot. I don't hate the idea. 600 sounds doable. Yeah. I'd wait till it takes the low and tap into the 1 hour fair value gap. But that's... No! I was hoping it would at least come up a little bit for an entry and then go down. But it looks like it's just slowly heading down there. Or not. Is it in the chop? It's kind of in the chop, but it's not really in the chop, but it feels like it's in the chop. Don't mind me, I'm gonna have an argument with myself for a minute. I'm sure you guys are used to this by now, me just talking to myself. And not put a trade. I'm sorry, I'm asking so much, it's just to open my mind, so I'm kind of understanding this. I like how you call it shelves. Oh, thanks. Okay, so, yeah, so patience is key. So if it's not a good day for your strategy, don't trade, right? And I'm busy just having a look-see. Oh no. Yeah, I'm having a look-see. I mean, theoretically, if it starts to come up, I can place a trade here, but I think it's just gonna keep going down. Yeah, 100% patience is the key. It's how I got, let me actually, shall I quickly, let's have a little look-see. I can tell you exactly. My win rate was like 40% and it's popped up to 58 now. I can get the exact amount, but let's say 58%. And all that's changed is my discipline, waiting for the correct setups, which unfortunately is a lot of sitting around not taking any trades because you wait for the A+ ones, right? Jordy, I think Rip has also posted a bunch of them on in the Discord. There we go. English, found it, nailed it. Hey, Rod, what's up? Oh, really? Wow, Jordy's just out here giving everyone coffee and breakfast. Jordy, you're on a mission. You're trying to make sure everyone's happy. Yeah, basically. If you're adding traders out there, you look for a full gap, full or 50%? Ooh, Kalani, that's a good question. For the fair value gap traders out there, do you look for a full gap full or 50%? Balan, are you asking me to explain my thoughts on this chart? So, on the higher time frame, there's a really nice inverse fair value gap that I've marked out here that I was thinking it's going to potentially tap into. How low is it going to go? I'm not sure. Maybe that 600 level is actually spot on. Hey, Kalani. And then go up for bulls. That's my thought. And at least trying to target the Asia high and the relative equal high. Well, they're basically equal highs. That's my thoughts. I don't even want to say prediction. It's just my thoughts on what I think could happen. But obviously, you know, it doesn't always work out how you want it to. But yeah, that's my 2 cents. Oh, but gradually, otherwise it's like drinking from a fire hose. By the way, it applies to any hour except 9 and 10. That's different. Should have been the last couple of times. I don't think I've broken records on banning and timing people out. Jordy, you're a giver, clearly. What type of trading is this? Nasdaq futures? Where's your donuts? Boom, banana. Damn, why do you want donuts so bad? Also, what type of donuts do you like? I feel like you never really told me. Do you just like the normal glazed? Do you like the ones with the fillings? Do you like the Hogwarts ones? I don't know if you saw that. There's Hogwarts one. You can get a sorting hat. Sorry, that was the nerd coming out. I think Georgie had spot on. Bernie, wait. Ping pong? Yeah, shout out Bernie. It's your birthday. Happy birthday. I hope they're watching. Again, guys, please don't forget to like the stream. And if you want to show some more support, please don't forget to use my code. If you want to use any of the prop firms in the description below, code is TeachMaya. You can get some awesome discounts. Okay. Make me doubt this, but I don't think I should be doubting this, but... I didn't hit anything of note yet, but I feel like it does this on purpose sometimes. Okay. I'm gonna give it a go. Maybe it's a mistake. I'm not going to put as many contracts because the market is slower today, but wanting to see if I stick with trusting my analysis, how it goes. And I do have my confluences. The only downside is this is kind of chopped, but let's see. Oh. Damn. Okay, well there's the little naivety coming in. Thanks, David. Moving on. You like filling Hey Strokes, love from England. Love back from South Africa. How's it going? I've missed a lot, so I'm just gonna here we go. Like everyone, financial advice. So if you're going to follow every single thing they say, yep. You have a challenge for me. If I do it, it's $1,000. This sounds like it could be... Let's see. KXK, what is it? Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm missing a lot. You guys sound like you're having way too much fun in the chat right now, which I guess... what? No. Absolutely not. Jordy? Enter it manually. What do you mean? Made $4,000 profit. Million is here. Hey, Buddha. I let it slide. There we go. KXK already said no. I'm not doing that. No thanks. Oh. What, enter it manually when it gets to the level? Oh wait, what are you thinking? Like if I see it starting to drop, or what are your thoughts on this, Jordy? Ah, David, are you on a mission? Nice. Okay. I'm waiting to see what Jordy's thoughts were. Seductive Spaceship. Interesting name, by the way. I don't think I've commented on that, but interesting name. What's up? What's with that ghost face? Lost a prop from challenge you last month. No, Kellen, I'm so sorry. If it powers through that 656 level, opposed to creeping up gently, would you still be in the short? I hear you. I hear you. Because then it's a bit risky, because then it looks like the buyers would have won, hey? Okay, no, that's fair. Yep. I will accept that. Let's see, if it goes even past this point and looks like it's lost momentum, I can even place a stop entry, right? Thanks! Another David. How are you doing, David? So did you place your trade? I'm assuming you placed it because it's going down, but I predict it to go up. That way. Well, yeah, let's see. I placed for if it wanted to pop back up here, but I don't think it's going to. I think it's going to go down and then just start going back up. So anyways, yeah, it looks like we chill. We chill. And then, I will post. I'm way too excited about this video. I'm way too excited about it. I made a funny video, and I think it's clever and I think it's funny, but I think a lot of you are gonna be like, what is wrong with this person? So that's okay. Oh, thanks, David. I appreciate it. Actually, get a cheaper trade, more room for the trade. I'm gonna try it. I will try to mark it in for around around 5 contracts if it gets there, obviously, and if it looks like it's gonna be doing what I wanted to do, then cool. Greetings from Israel. Hello from South Africa. How's it going? Why is there so many Davids? Oh, I guess that makes sense. Helen was, oh yeah, I'm so innocent. The first time is always memorable, isn't it? Wow, I went through my first one so quickly. It was really bad. It was really, really bad. But I'm gonna tell you, it's really difficult to watch my past videos. It's disgusting. My past videos are so hard to watch. Wow. Oh damn, David's everywhere. I know it feels uncomfy as it should. Yeah, a little bit, Geordie. I'm a little bit like, okay, okay. But if I see it going up and respecting this level, I'll mark it in. I'm nervous, but I'll do it. I'll do it. Because you do have a good point. If it starts just freaking popping off up, I don't want to be in that and I might be too late to get out of it. So it is risk management at the end of the day. I'll just have to close my eyes. You entered the same trade, but a candle earlier when the fair value gap was formed. Oh, Wieland, nice. Go away. So you entered here as it was formed. And where's your TP at? Okay, so what are 5 contracts worth? It depends on how big, but if this is around, if the stop loss is around 20 points, which means this is around 40 points, it makes it $400. I think this is a little bit less though. Yeah, it's a little bit less, so this will be closer to, what, 300-ish? This is spot options, no? Damn, Kellen, look at you go. You made your first prop firm challenge last 30 days. Curious name, Teach Maya. Why? Why curious? You don't even trade, I don't make good money. Give it up. Brian, I mean, I do trade. I just wait for good trades. Well, I'm not making money yet. That being the key word. I'm still new. But point is, I'm no longer blowing accounts. Touch wood. Maybe I must shut up, but I'm no longer blowing accounts, which is a big thing. I'll set an alert at 50% when price increases with it. You can then see how it traded into that level. Oh, there we go, Geordie. Don't worry about that challenge account, just keep pushing. JJ, good morning. Is this Scotland? No, this is South Africa. Welcome. Is at the same beginning of the fair value gap. Oh damn. Okay, cool. Dr. Z, I am South African. Chicago, do I trade crypto? I haven't traded crypto, sorry. Ooh, actually, what does gold look like? Sorry, that just got me thinking. How's the gold looking? Is it also just... Oh, what? I mean, gold is moving better than NQ right now. Could I have placed that though? Maybe not. Well, it's at least moving. I wouldn't have taken that trade, unfortunately. It would have been a winner, but I wouldn't have taken it. Stuck on VWAP again. Interesting. Laura, how's your gold looking, by the way? Name is Mia. Pronounces it. Oh, Steven, that's so cool. Try and reapply for Traderify so I can spam your code. Boom. Okay, I'll try. I'll try. I make no promises. Thanks for subscribing. Okay. That made me learn to drink and trade yet. Trading will become much more fun. DJ Magic, what's up? No, I'm not gonna drink and trade. That just sounds like a recipe for disaster. Or a recipe for a good time, but most likely disaster. Ah, okay, there we go. So I had the right thought, it just didn't come up to get me. That would have been a goodie though. Oh well. It's nice to know that the thought was correct at least. Smash TP. Nice, Leland. Well done. You're from the lovely Gordon's Bay. Ooh, nice, Coach Carter. I'm from the KZN side. The warmer side. And I've never been... Is it just all of this liquidity sitting here? I'll make a note. I'm gonna put your name. Rip. Okay, let's see. If you could stop snoring, that would be great, thanks. Never mind. Geordie and I'm from the lovely... Price was so boring. Yeah, boom. It's not great. Oh, right. Thanks, David. Yes, let me do that. That's a good point while we're waiting. Right, let's do this. Shush. Go away. In. There we go. Sorry, there's not much going on, is there? You're also from your mother. Nice, JJ. Hey, Kiddo Mo. No, I haven't gotten anything yet. I was looking at this, but as you can see, it didn't pop up higher before it took out the liquidity point that I wanted it to take. I mean, it took it. I had the right thought. It just didn't get me. Oh, no worries, Steven. It's normal. I need to put a proudly South African sticker somewhere. Maybe I'm just pop it on my forehead. Proudly South African. I love it. Always extend the previous day into the next day. Oh, damn, Geordie. Yes. Oh, flip. I forgot about that. Oh, no. Where is it? Was this it from yesterday? It was too. Oh damn! Oh damn! Oh damn! So I had lots of reason for that to be a really good trade. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Check out, touched into it there. Sorry, I'm completely and utterly intrigued with the first opening, first presented fair value gap. That's it, not first opening. And a beautiful rejection off of it. Sounds like ICT now. Oh yes. Look at 5600 and 569 big buy orders, but they're if it hits. Ooh. Joy, if it hits. Wait. The problem is, it's taken out the liquidity I wanted to see it. That I wanted to see it take. So my brain's going, it could now continue to the bull side. It could continue lower to that 600 level, because it sounds like there's a lot of buy orders there. Tattoo made in South Africa on your forehead. David! No. What I waiting for to place a trade? So JJ, I did theoretically wait. No. I did theoretically place a trade, it just didn't come and tag me in. So I had my setup looking like this. Yeah, it was there. And I placed it here, but as you can see, it didn't come and tag me in before it took out my point of interest. Do we think this is gonna continue back down again? No. Coach Carter, yes I do. You're going short at 652. Do I mark it in? 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 I mean, that was a good wick. Let me see if it respects that level. Solid. Boom. Is Boom looking for the long? Oh, great. That's great. Beautiful pump on gold. Oh, nice. Okay. How important is fib retracement to your system? Ah, well, it's my little GAN box, so it's not even so much a fib retracement. I mean, it's my whole it's my whole system, sweet and simply. But I did want to potentially look at this if it went up too quickly. That's why I was nervous of placing this trade. Is my bias bullish or bearish? So JJ, this is why I'm a little bit conflicted. It took out the point of interest that I thought it would before going bullish. So I have a bullish bias. But if it had got me in before, I had a bearish until a certain level, but it's taken out that level. Oh, nice LP. Whoop whoop. Damn. 10 in and out. What the heck? I'll look for a long here somewhere. You want to tap into the 30 minutes? I think just sweeping orders and gonna come back down. 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. So right by this order block, we think it might potentially pop up a little bit further before going down. Let's see if I was in this trade, how this would have gone down. Again, the only reason I didn't take this trade is because it took out my sell side liquidity that I was looking at. So I had a feeling it would retrace a little bit higher. Either into the level 6, 7, 8. I mean, it's bouncing off. It is bouncing off. We're gonna keep respecting it? Probably. Okay, sell side volume higher. Awesome. Lifecraft, can I send a link to the trading app I use? Lifecraft, yeah, I mean, it's top 1 futures and I use the Project X. Do I look at 1 hour and 4 hour? Yes, I do, JJ. Thanks, David. Okay, who's gonna win this? Oh, wait, never mind. That probably is who's gonna win it. I was gonna say, who's gonna win this? The buyers or the sellers? Kind of looks like the sellers are gonna win here. If you're looking for a long, 635 is the entry. I'm not, and I'm wanting to do cheeky things like market in, which is probably not a good idea. So I think it wants to go a little bit further down. Okay, Geordie, let's see how it respects this. If it respects it, it should. Right? It should. Might touch and start with what pair is that? So it's not a pair. It's the Nasdaq futures. So I can see probably 604 if you are short. That market's selling to 2555. Why is 555 popping up so often? That is the third time 555 has come around. Boom nozzle. Oh, okay. Well, Boom, where's your TP at? Or are you in this? Or not? Not even further, it's going down long term. Hey George, what's up? What do I love about trading? Ooh, Dr. Z. I think it's the fact that there's so much learning. And just when you think you know one thing, something else pops up. Don't get me wrong, it can be quite overwhelming. But I want to say it's the constant learning new things. Always. And I always find it very entertaining, or interesting, not entertaining. Interesting to see how different people read the charts differently. Oh. Whoa. Okay. This is why I don't like it when it's rangy. Is it just gonna be rangy the whole day? Kinda looks like it, hey? Do I buy limits with it? I'm gonna sell just now an MNQ. Nice, Kellen. Well, I think nice. I don't know what this market wants to do. Look at the 4 hour. Just close your eyes for a second. There we go. Here's the 4 hour. It is slowly going down and down and down. I do still think it wants to come tap, fill the gap. Let me not say tap the gap, fill the gap. Progress is looking for a place to stop. Is it Nifty 50? No, Nasdaq futures. Maya, why do I have 2 streams running at the same time? Eh. Why not? Get a break of structure to the downside. Thank you. Now do you see we selling? Oh yeah, Mighty, I'm not disagreeing. It's just... that we're wanting to range. And my strategy does not work so well with ranginess. Not ideal. Oh, thanks, Phil. Kellen, I missed something. I'm so sorry. I'm in the cell. Oh, just now. Got it. Not the ideal spot, but you're testing a platform to see if it would let you with a small margin. Oh, what platform are you using, Kellen? Let's. I hate rangy days so much. So much. Drive me crazy. 43 views, let's get like something stupid. We're in the range, which we call a fair auction. This is the best time to buy or sell based on your bias. Huh. If it goes to 25,600, you're going long. Okay. Some speed needed in the next 5 minutes, right? Let's see, Rip. I don't even know if it is going to, but... maybe it was a mistake to not enter here. But in the same breath, I stuck to my rules, so... it's frustrating as it is. I guess I listened to myself. Okay. Damn. Look at it, listen to this. Ooh, I should maybe reset that. Look at it, listen to this fair value gap. Hey, Zane. Any ideas on take profit prop? What do you mean by ideas? Like, what do I think of them? Kellen, following your rules is number one. I know, but then FOMO wants to take over, and like, I have FOMO now because I could have been in this, and oh, but I did listen to myself. It is rangy. I don't like to trade in the range. Number one. Number two, it took out my point of interest, where I thought it was going to go before potentially shifting. Number two. So, as frustrating as it is, and it's probably frustrating for you guys as well watching me sit here waiting, oh so not patiently. It is only if it gets there. Yep. Rip. If you push down with some zest, think we can go short. What? I think that baffles my brain. It baffles my brain because I have a few friends that do that, and I'm just like, why? $300 on Call of Duty skins. Bro, I'm trying to get a body. Can you teach me how to shoot what? That was a wild sentence. I think you need to elaborate on that a little bit. Oswell. There we go. Got it. Took me a minute, but I got it. Okay, give me a second. My dog's giving me that face because he's woken up. 2 seconds. Watch. Absolutely nothing happened for me. Thank you. Okay. I'm a student at UP. I've made more than 100k trading this year. Nice. I tell my parents or not, they literally hate trading. Oh. That's oh, low. Oh gosh. I mean, I don't think I should be giving any advice on that. Damn. I mean, if you're doing well and you're successful, maybe they'll be happy with that. I have no idea. Why do they hate trading? Can't elaborate if you can't talk in the chat. That valid, David. If it gives you the opportunity, I'm already short at the high. So you think this is just going to continue going lower and lower, right? Celestia, am I feeling spicy today? Am I? Potentially. No. I'm good. Not really spicy. Sorry, that was a weird stretch. Sorry. It helped me click my back. Anyways. Hey Celestial, what's up? Oh, the fit. Oh no, it's comfy. And it's my I do everything in tights. I don't actually know why I own jeans or anything else because I never ever wear them. Everything I wear tights. I'm gonna rebound back up. Rip. Was your entry literally here? At the 652 level? Where my entry should have probably been. Massage gun. To me, I have no idea. Probably a farm girl. 1,000%. 1,000%. Like, I have videos and people freak out of a bunch of slugs that I found the other day. I don't know, and I was picking them up and everyone was like, oh my god, slugs! I was like, what? And I have to save all the frogs from the horse's water troughs because everyone else is too scared to touch the frogs. I'm just like, just think, it's a frog, leave it alone. Damn. Rip, where's your TP at? Was that at 600 level? See, now, FOMO's wanting me to just market in. FOMO's wanting me to just market in, and I think that's a bad idea. That's not being very disciplined, that's being really cheeky. Damn it. Slug was the nickname. Really? So she just really loved snails and slugs. Snails and slugs. There we go. Nailed it. Took me a minute. Perspective on gold. Let me check, Laura. 604. Got it. Thank you, thank you. Okay, respecting this fair value gap again a little bit. Are you trailing your stop, Rip? Sorry, I can't remember if you trail your stop, or you just go break even, or if you just leave it. Snailed it. Ah, oh, Geordie, no. Geordie, are you in on a trade, by the way? I think you're sitting on dynamic resistance, so if you mark it in a sell, it has to make sense to you. Don't do it if you don't see the trade. Always reduce risk when it makes sense. Yep. What is MNQ? It's Nasdaq futures, the micros to be specific, Liquid, and it's what I'm trading. Waiting for confirmation of if it's going to respect this level or not. Let's see. Jordy, so slug is an acronym for seriously lovely unstoppable gem. What is snail an acronym for? Not sure if this gap will hold, to be fair. It's a risk taking this long. Yeah. For those who think market and preserve capital. Yeah, no, 100% rip. Hey! Here we go. That's what I was waiting for. I was waiting to see how nicely it respected this. I think it's absolutely wild how well it respects it. I don't know, probably snail. I mean, damn, David, you just full of the wisdoms today, hey? LP, I'm also not a fan of marketing. Yeah, no, I'm... Snail's fine. Slug's diabolical. Why? That is hilarious. Why? Why are snails fine, but slugs not? I feel like I need to sit on my hands. I feel like I need to sit on my hands because... Oh, cute! Don't you think we are prone to be emotional traders when we enjoy trading? That was interesting. Dr. Z, don't you think we're prone to emotional traders when we enjoy trading? I mean, you know how being excited can make you naive to potential dangers. Anyone have a response to that? I'm a little bit of loss for words right now. You have a valid point. There was that entry. That's still respecting this fair value gap, damn. I mean, Jordy, if you went for like 10 points, you could have, I guess. Not even 10. No, like 10. No, that's 5 points, I lied. These hide could also make for great liquidity during New York. Stick to the plan. Okay, wait. Which highs? These ones here. This high. These equal high. There's so many highs. Especially this Asia high. Wow. I really thought it would pop up to that Asia high. Maybe not. Whoa! That would have sucked. Imagine I did that. Woo! Okay. Right? Stick with the plan. Stick with the plan. Jordy, I think you have actually boggled my mind with this fair value gap. Look at how it respects it. It's ridiculous. Mike M, stick to the plan. Yep, of course. The trading opposition is an observed bad habit that is common. The snails are SpongeBob's best friend, but slugs look like zombies. Celestial. That was wild to read. In all honesty, I kind of needed to break below, like, properly below this fair value gap before I will look at shorts. That's kind of where my mind's at right now. Once it's broken below this properly, not just wicked, once the body is closed below it, then I think we're good to go for shorts, but until then I would have just been frustrated. I wouldn't see the highs for M and Q to be taken out for another 4 hours, and there's no guarantee that it would happen. Asia highs. Oh, interesting, Kellen. Okay, you really don't think so? Jordy, all of them? Valid. rip the confidence mile. We have to work on that. Yeah. I know. I'm really trying. Do you just, if you, okay, this is a bit more of a, like a, maybe a personal thing. Not so much to do with trading, but I get it can manifest into your trading, as we can see. So how does one, don't say trusting the strategy, I understand that, but how does one just grow their confidence? Do you just fake confidence until it's just natural? So this is a bit more of like a open-ended, doesn't have to do with trading, just in general. I'm just curious about what you guys think about that. Slugs are just homeless broke snails. That's so mean. Also, the slugs I picked up were massive. Massive, David. I don't know if you saw it on Discord. They were basically the size of my hand. I've never seen slugs that big. I was like, okay then. Boom banana by placing the trades. I said not necessarily to do with trading. Damn, boom. But yeah, I hear you. I mean, this would have been a... Whoop, here we go. I did place it, though. I just closed it. The second time I've closed it. When I probably shouldn't have. Jordy 1103. Yeah, where's 1103? Having the same setup over and over. Range between two gaps like this, it's kind of like trapped order flow, wait for a break out of the range. Well, let's see, it's still just wicking, like I said. Wiki. Are we actually going to close below it properly? Maybe? Maybe this is it? Ah, there we go. No, not yet. Let me be quiet. So confidence really grows with time, the same setup over and over. Oh, thank you. Yeah, actually. That is really, really valid. Okay. Okay. I know I am grumpy because I had this placed. I had it there. And I closed it. But I closed it for valid reasons. Sorry, can you see I'm justifying things in my head. I'm justifying things in my head. I mean, David, I didn't ask you to hold the mirror up down. I'm joking. That's basically what I asked. Whoop, okay. That would have been a win if I'd placed it. Samesies for the second one. Was it? I had it here to there. Yep. Same for that one. Okay. Things are grown, accept them. Take something too short. Wiki, clip that celestial. Mike, I stick to my plans as much as I can. I was just highlighting something general that humans go through whenever in trading or elsewhere, just for awareness. Steven. Don't laugh. Rude. Strategy and discipline and risk tolerance and such. I mean, it's like I understand the concepts and the thingy-mabobbies. I understand. And the thingy-mabobbies. Wow. Those are the technical correct terms. Thingy-mabobbies, just by the way. 100%. Wait, let me just mark the 604 area quick sticks. Okay. We've actually closed below this now. Now I feel like the entry's too there, but it's fine. Let's see what happens. Even wears the ski mask to boost his com. Oh, okay. Oh, cheers, Celestial. Enjoy, enjoy. I'm just having a good giggle at everyone. How big is this? Okay. Oh, that's itty bitty little trade. That's itty bitty little trade. I can do an itty bitty little trade. For taking out some hectic. Not really, it's just come to fill the gap. Oh damn. Come to fill the gap indeed. No, no, I was gonna say I can mark it in. Don't do it. Leave it alone. Okay, that ran off. What just happened? What time is it? No? Okay, so it's nothing to do with time. Why is it so volatile now? Ah, Sunfaith. Yes, I do. I stream both London and New York sessions, so I stream twice a day. But yeah. Twice a day, every day, Monday to Friday. Having a good laugh is good for the mind. That's valid. Hits the 50%. Bebo? Nice. I'm gonna take the shorty short, targeting 580. Hey, Adviante, how's it going? Europe news. Oh, thanks, Laura. Thank you, thank you. I was like, what the heck just happened? Geordie, how are you entering? Are you just marketing in? What's your plan? It's gone far enough. Yeah, well. Maybe it's a mistake, maybe it's not. Let's see, I have... That's actually not a bad one at all. I don't know if it's going to come up that high to get me. And maybe it'll screw me, but at least I've placed that option should be on profit, and I want mine to tell where it should be based on your entry. Okay. So your entry was here. Stop should maybe be at around 645? 640? Rip? Yes, no, maybe? I'm just going for the swings. No! Come back. Am I correct, Rip? Are you trailing it even closer? If you're going even closer, you could be... So there's a school around the corner, and their bell sounds like a bomb warning signal thing. And every time it goes off, I'm like, what's happening? Used 1137 candle retest in 12 paper. Oh, damn! So that little retest there where I kind of would like for it to go back. I don't think it's going to though, but it's fine. So it's like 2 roadblocks protecting you, yep, but it looks iffy now. Depends how much you want to give back if it stops you. Oh, damn, okay, I think it's just running away. Contracts, I mean 2, and I just dropped my shock. I was about to say, I think 10 contracts is too much now. Oh my gosh, okay. Charlie, really? Huh. This, poop. Nope. Well, rip. Whoop whoop is definitely deserved for you. Well done. Jordy, you break even out. Nice. Hey, Zach, me and you both, bud. To be fair, I was perfectly ready. Perfectly ready. And I didn't take... I feel like that's enough to make me want to bash my head against the table. But there's always another trade, right? And I missed it. But there's always another trade after that. See if it retraces, you know, market sell in. It's going to go bull and retrace. 100%, Kevin. 100%. It's why I hate marketing in. Because I know me and I know my luck. And do you know how often it's done that? I used to have a strategy where I marketed in. Disaster. I don't even think disaster begins to explain how bad it was. I remember the one day, just to give you an idea of how much I have grown as a trader. There was one day where I marketed in. I think I was looking for buy. So I marketed in for a buy, got stopped out with a short. Marketed in for a buy, got stopped out again for a short. So then I said, well, screw it, seeming as it wants to go short. So I marketed in for a short, so naturally it went for a buy. Needless to say, I blew that account really quickly. Maya, what is your biggest piece of advice for a struggling trader? Ooh, well, what are you struggling with? I think that's a question. Yeah, it is a question, but that's the question you need to kind of ask. What is it that you are struggling with? Hey, Wayne, what's up? Hey, Emily. What the heck, Rip? What on earth? You don't think this is going to come a little bit lower? For the opening? At what? 589? Yeah, Rip, I'm a little bit in awe right now because it hit your hit your level perfectly. And now it looks like it wants to start pushing back up. So Rip, do you think now it's going to go back up properly? Is it just retesting? Hey, Stealth FX, what up? Good girl, Ink. Don't waste your money trading binary options more. Hey, Joe Short. Nasdaq futures again. This has a lot of... You know what? This has a lot. I'm gonna do 5... Technically 9, so... Need 9 there. Oh no! Keep going to at least get me in, damn. There's a lot of confluences for this one. Am I still nervous? Yep. Sunfaith, is this a demo account? Well, it's an eval account. Lessons to a struggling trader, learn to identify problems to avoid fixing what isn't broken. Joe Short, it's too early. What's too early? That's valid, Rip. Okay. Oh, you're trading futures. I thought it was binary. Nope. So, Stealth, what's not a scam? Kellen, you're out of M&Q now? Really? Why? So, Geordie, you're still in this. Let's see. So, Kellen, why did you hop out of M&Q now? Sorry, ignore all the chaos that's going on with it. Just having a look at something. Yeah. Sorry, ignore the chaos. So short watch for pizza isn't a scam, David. Today's a bank holiday all day. Took 6% profit and left. Oh, nice, Kellen. Whoop whoop. It is a bank holiday, yes, Charlie. What do you mean sadly? What do you mean sadly? You're still in this? Bank holiday, why? Accidental biker, you what? You suffer from greed and fear. Well, that's a bit of a tricky combination. Am I doubting things? Yes. Is that a problem? Probably. Oh my goodness. Yep, definitely a problem. So the one that I get into, if it gets back down to break even, I'm a pop out of it. Today's Remembrance Day of Canada. Really? Is that what it is? Ah. Remembrance. Interesting. Listen to it and go back down. Yes, no. I'd listen to it and go back down. Yep, 100%. Fun faith, yeah. Is it though? Is it though? Go back, please. Just a little bit more. Just go to break even. So I can get out of break even. Nope. The problem is I know what's gonna happen. That's gonna happen. What? And the entries are more scary than market entries because you're trying to pinpoint exact reversals. That's valid. Come on, go back down a little bit. No man, what am I doing? I'm being an absolute chop. Because I'm actually shaking a little bit, I'm not gonna lie. Interesting. Okay. There we go. Now the brain is functioning. This moves to midpoint. Mitigate risk by half, around half, yeah. That's around 1, is it? Yeah. Okay. Got back in because I'm a legend. Break even again. I'm not at break even point yet. There we go. Nearly at break even point, Geordie. Trust the confluences, trust the confluences, trust the confluences, right? I think that's what I need to take out of this. I trusted in my confluences and they worked. Okay, now it's break even. Okie dokie. Okie dokie, cool. Cool. Can lose big money very quickly and the trade goes against you. I mean, stealth, so I'm on the micros. Micros help. What a shake, you're doing great. Oh, you're hot. How's it beating? Yeah, rip, it's proper. It's proper. Come on, take out the other 5. Damn. Okay, now we still have one going. Stop by for 1. Gonna move this to like midpoint. Around there, I guess. Hasn't taken the low on ES yet. Oh, thanks, guys. Yeah. We did it. I do have one little runner still going, but it might come get me. It might come get me. Just leaving it at the top of this candle. If it gets me, it gets me. It is what it is. Oh, thanks, Rip. Yeah. Let's see. Like I said, it's 1. Either way, if it takes me out here, I'm still in the green. If your system was naked, Gambox would be the only thing left. Dr. Z? What do you mean by that? Trust the process as long as you can repeat the model all the time. Yep, Kwang, that's exactly right. I did have to trust my confluences there, which is not a bad thing. I need to learn to trust them a little bit more. Damn. Good damn. Build up that muscle memory. And you also trade fundamentals. Nice. Joy of travel. Okay, going long now. Really? You think it's now going long? What did it take out? 596. But it's not at that level. I don't even know what level I'm looking for. My level was at 599, by the way. I was wondering. 508 is your target. It doesn't stop you and you hit that level, close it, build confidence. 58850. 58850. Okay? 58850. Deal. Just keep pushing, just keep pushing, just keep pushing, pushing, pushing. What do? We push, push, push. Oh, I guess this is not pushing here, this is melting. Just keep melting, just keep melting. Da, 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 da. KB, what's up? Sorry, you guys popped in on a very entertaining day. Mentally, brain's okay, I guess. That's okay. God damn, I can't believe I was shaking. I haven't shook like that in a while. Oh well. KV, why? You start trading, got into the market. I'm a crypto bro. I was into crypto before trading. Oh. Sunface, don't call him a gambler. We don't know anything about KV. Hi. So basically, I got into trading in general just for freedom. You know, and everything that comes with the freedom. The financial freedom, the freedom from a boss. That's quite a big one, because people do love to take advantage of me. What's my indicator and my R and R? So, I mean, there's a few indicators, but my R and R is 1 to 2. You could work around it or not. Don't trade like this. Either you go what you did, which clearly works, but you could also put a sell stop, 1 candle below. 0.5, okay. Wick the fib and then reject. I'm a little bit confused, Kwang. Thanks, Rip. And stressed. You know, I wanted to, but I feel like my heart rate's calmed down a little bit, except for today. I don't know why. It's fine. I'm moving it to there. But there was a point where I wanted to get like a heart rate monitor that would show on the screen so you guys could see when I was in a trade what my heart rate did. Because it used to be really bad. I used to stress so much, but a little bit unnecessarily so. Oh, 82 contracts just came in the book. Ooh. I mean, from what I see, Gambox looks like my primary edge. Dr. Z, basically. Don't know if that's a good or bad thing. Some people hate it, some people love it. Me. Is it NQ? Yes. The micros to be specific, so it's MNQ. Ella's keynote speech. I'm not bullish on BTC long term. BTC is limited and gold is scarce. Oh, so KV, yesterday we're having discussions about... Oh, some guy's not here today. Huh. We're having discussions about Bitcoin yesterday because I was getting lectured about it over the weekend. That was fun. Because unfortunately, being a young female trader... Okay, obviously I'm not an investor, I'm a day trader, so it's a bit of a different ball game. So I was getting a bit of a lecture about that, and they didn't appreciate me clapping back that it's a bearish... it's a bearish market right now. But anyways... It's gonna drop for a second. Oh, I hope so, Joe. Let's see. Your entry would be 617 instead. $617. Wait. Whoa. What? When? Oh, wait. I'm going the wrong way. My bad. I was so confused. I was like, what are you talking about? Sorry. Going the wrong direction and my brain's not even clocking that I'm going the wrong direction. That's not a great start, is it? Well, we got a runner. No, Kwang, no. I was just a little bit confused. I'm confused by what you're trying to say. Hey Zane, what's up? You're back? Yeah, that's what I meant earlier. So right now, don't listen. Trade management, you have everything you need. Stop, place, target, done. You don't care what other people say, especially now. No, 100%, Rip. No, that is true. I have this place that it's in the green, regardless, right? Hey, Rip, it's kind of bouncing between our two, our two TP spots. Okay. Bitcoin's going to jump. Yes, crypto people don't like that. Yeah, Rockstar, I noticed. I was like, damn, okay, my bad. My bad. Yeah, I offended someone there. Oops. Limit orders anticipate price, but stop orders goes with momentum. Yep. After rejections with flip levels. 6 months. Oh, okay, I got it. Yes, Kwang. To be fair, I have done that before where with my GAN, it went above, it almost hit where my stop loss was, and I saw it coming back down, and I did then a stop at the 50 level still. And it worked quite well. It was a win, so that was quite nice. But it's about being correct, because sometimes if it goes to my stop loss level, it could potentially sometimes come back down and then continue to the bull side. I'm gonna move this a little bit closer now. Let's see. Liam, how do I get into this? Liam Cop. So, it's a journey, basically, but I think number one would be paper trading, so that you can find a strategy that works for you, that makes sense to you. Then second, again, guys, this is just my opinion. My opinion. Especially for beginners, because like me, I am beginner. You know, there's still always things to learn, but in my opinion, it would be paper trading to find a strategy that makes sense to you. Then second would be prop firms, so that you don't blow through your capital and you can have the experience of trading live with the emotions, and that's where you sort out your psychological side. And correct execution in a I nearly said stressful, a stressful environment. And then you can have your live accounts, personally. Yeah, sorry, Kwang. Don't worry. I mean, 500 million. Wait, what? Stealth, what? I see 500 million. What? We'll go back down to 60. Liam, cop, please don't. Why? Accidental biker. Oh, cheers, Steven. Enjoy. I have to go see my horses, but I'm not leaving this. So I'm like, Oh yeah, guys, if you wouldn't mind, please don't forget to press that like button. And if you want to show even more support, my code is Teachmaya, and all the prop firms in the description below, I am affiliated with them. So if you use any of the prop firms below and you're going to buy a new account, you can use my code Teachmaya for some discounts. Getting around to... Oh. Wait. Are you going to Woolies? Damn, Jordan, are you feeling rich? Whatever happens, happens. Got it. Multi-mirror slow day. Yep. Yes, it is. It is indeed a slow day. Let's see what happens now. Thanks for subscribing. Probably kind of right. I love it. Oh my goodiness. Come on. Part of my brain goes, do we just call it here? No. We do not just call it here. But we're in the green, guys. We're doing good today. We're doing good. It's getting better. With regards to the mental side. Am I short? Kelvin, yes I am. Out. I have no feeling in my foot, but yes. I should try some options trading. Really, Joe? Why? Out of curiosity. I apologize if I sometimes say why and I sound judgy. I'm just genuinely curious about why you think that. Like, do you think it'll be something I would enjoy? Is it something you enjoy? Why do you prefer it? Yeah. Sunface, no, don't you want to be BC still me. Also, just speculation for the first cycle since. Boys, damn. Rip, it's boiling. Yep. Just a little bit, Rip. I guess, you know, patience is key. It's really, it's gonna probably wick me out and then go back down, isn't it? It's fine. Either way, I'm in the green, so. And I stuck with it, and I even left a runner, even though it probably would have been better to not have the runner, but it's fine. To use the biggest time frame pictures. I think we're basically at the 0.5 for longs and the 1 hour chart. Oh, interesting, Kwang. Hello from yesterday to Asia today. Oh, okay, well there we go. Got taken out up here, but we are now up. We're in the green. So whoop whoop. Okay, and it's perfect timing for me to go see the ponies now. Oh, let me pop this trade on here. Win. Okay. 'Twas indeed a win. This really is starting to look like a bit of a Christmas tree. Sorry guys, I'm just gonna screenshot this. No, wrong thing. Oh, you mother fluffer, I told you it was gonna come get me and then go back down. Oh, but even there it would have gotten me before it went down. That's fine. It is what it is. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna call it there after a day. It was a day. A lot of waiting around. I missed a really good trade. I missed 2 good trades, and luckily I got in on the 3rd one. So that's good. That's good. Thanks, Rip. I appreciate it. Looks like a win. Joe short it was. Can't go wrong with pork belly. I would give you an Oscar. Oh, thanks, George. Why? Wait, what? Today, since bonds are closed. So, yep. Have a good one. Thank you. I just need Robin Hood. Yeah, I'll see you guys. So I will be back. I'll be back for the New York. Oh, literally, I'm about to leave. I'm so sorry. But we're in the green. So I'll be back for New York. Let's see what it brings. I don't know if a lot of people are going to be trading today because of the holiday. I'm not sure. Oh, thanks, Lichen, but it was not a win, a W. Oh, sorry, Joe. Got it. You're talking about the formation. My bad. I'm sorry. I love you guys madly. I will be back tomorrow. I will be back tomorrow. No, well, tomorrow for some of you, I guess. I'll be back for the New York session. Thank you for joining me. Yeah, my emotions felt a little bit heightened today, which I know is not ideal. I know it's not great, but sorry. I'm gonna call it there. Let's call it there for today. And I will see everyone then later for the New York session. I love you guys madly. Thank you for joining me. If you at least had a little bit of fun, please don't forget to press that like button. And for amazing codes and discounts, I think there's an 80% sale going on top 1. Just saying. But if you want to get some cool discounts, you can use my code TeachMaya. I'm with all of the prop firms that are in the description below. So if you would like to show some love and support, that would be amazing. I think that's it. I love you guys madly. I'm excited for New York. Let's see what it brings. I love you guys madly. I'll see you later.